morning children, and welcome once again to our online classes. And today we are going to learn about the synonyms and antonyms. So what are synonyms and what are antonyms, children? Synonyms are words with similar meaning. That means in place of that word we can use the similar word with similar meaning. And antonyms are words with opposite meaning. So these are the opposites. So what is the difference between a synonym and a meaning? A meaning can be written in a phrase, whereas a synonym is another word which has a similar meaning to the given word. Clear? So now let's understand these synonyms and antonyms as we visit a fair with Tina and Meena. Okay, so along with the visit to the fair, we also would learn the synonyms and antonyms of few words that come during the conversation. So, Tina goes to Meena's house and calls her to the fair. Meena, let's go to the village fair and enjoy a Sunday. I know you scarcely visit such fairs. Yay! I am so excited, Tina. Can I use the words rarely, barely and hardly instead of scarcely? Yes, these are the synonyms of scarcely, and the antonyms of scarcely are frequently and remarkably. So, we have learned the meaning, the synonyms of scarcely as rarely, barely, hardly. Yes, and the antonyms of scarcely being frequently and remarkably. So let's do something constructive. You mean useful, productive, practical or positive? So these are the synonyms of the word constructive, and the antonyms of constructive are destructive and unproductive. This fair attracts people from all neighbouring villages and states, and items of public interest are displayed there. We all know that in a fair there are many items which are displayed. The synonyms of displayed being spread out, exposed, visible and shown. So, Meena is very excited. She says, how beautiful, oh how beautiful this fair is. And she also tells us the synonyms of the word displayed, being spread out, exposed, visible and shown. And its antonyms are concealed and camouflaged. Right. See, the people are in the best outfits and elegant clothes, says Tina. What are the synonyms of elegant? Graceful, charming, stylish, attractive, and its antonym is unimpressive. Its antonym is unimpressive. So, the synonyms of elegant are graceful, charming, stylish and attractive, and its antonym is unimpressive. You can see the clothes which are unimpressive. So, as Tina and Meena moved further, we saw a tiny man. What are the synonyms of tiny? Microscopic, miniature, teeny, small and puny. And its antonyms are big, giant, huge, enormous. So what was the tiny man doing? He was entertaining people with his humorous tricks. So what are the synonyms of humorous now? First we will learn its antonym. The antonym of humorous is serious, and its synonyms are funny, hilarious and comical. So, the antonym of humorous is serious, and its synonyms are funny, hilarious and comical. So, they further noticed in one corner a juggler, and his mannerisms were amazing and stunning. So, what are the synonyms of stunning? The synonyms of stunning are pretty, good looking, lovely, gorgeous and beautiful. So, instead of stunning, you can use these words. And its antonyms are ugly and unattractive. To the other side, some wrestling bouts were organized. The renowned wrestlers of the adjoining areas participated in it. So, what are the synonyms of esteemed, of renowned? They are esteemed, prominent, famous and distinguished. So, instead of renowned wrestlers, you can also use the word esteemed or famous or distinguished and prominent. And its antonym of renowned is unknown. Oh, this ugly, clumsy and clammy frog, from where did it come? Suddenly Meena sees an ugly frog coming out from somewhere. Okay, so what are the synonyms of clumsy? Clammy. The synonyms of clammy are damp, means wet, slimy, sticky, moist. Okay, and its antonym is dry. What are the synonyms of clumsy, awkward and gauche? Okay, so Tina and Meena are further moving forward to enjoy the merry-go-round. Tina, see the merry-go-round. This is the most awaited ride. Oh, I am so delighted. So, what are the synonyms of delighted? Enchanted and thrilled. And its antonym is disappointed. Now it's time to go home. So Tina, let's go home. We are getting late. Thank you, Meena. It was a grand fair and we had an enthralling experience. What are the synonyms of enthralling? Captivating, riveting, fascinating, engrossing, and gripping. And its antonyms are boring and uninteresting. So, along with Tina and Meena, we have visited the fair and also learnt the synonyms and antonyms of few words during their conversation. So, children, now we would further learn that along with these antonyms are also formed by using some prefixes. Prefixes like dis, in, miss, un, im, il, di and er. That means to the root word or to the main word, you can add these prefixes to form their antonyms. Let's look at some examples. Willing. The antonym of willing is unwilling. We have added the prefix un. Fame, defame. The prefix di. Comfort, discomfort. The prefix dis. Lead, mislead. Prefix miss. Complete, incomplete. Prefix in. Balance, imbalance. Prefix im. Literate, illiterate. Prefix ill. Responsible, irresponsible. Prefix ir. So, this is how you can form few more antonyms by using the prefixes. Okay, so whenever you write a character sketch, you see some protagonists and antagonists in the story. Is it not? So, generally, the protagonists take all the positive characters and the antagonists in the movie or in the story take the negative characters. So, let's learn some character traits and their antonyms. That is the words used when you describe an antagonist. Okay, brave for a positive character, and for a negative character it is timid. Optimistic or pessimistic, kind or arrogant, considerate or rude, generous or selfish, trustworthy or sly, caring or insensitive, loyal or jealous, adventurous or fearful, honest, devious, wise or foolish, confident or anxious. So, this might be very helpful to you when you write the character sketch of the personalities in the stories. Okay, children. So, now with the help of this video, complete the exercises given in your textbook. Hope you have added few more words to your vocabulary, yes, by learning the synonyms and antonyms. Thank you, children, and have a good